to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fab Bag for August month. So this is the box which I have got. Let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 599 rupees, and they have longer subscriptions as well, like 3 months, 6 months, and a yearly subscription. And I have a good news. I have a coupon code which is Ritu10. You can use this code and you can redeem 10% discount on your Fab Bag subscription boxes. Now let's just quickly open it and see what all is there. So this is the bag for August month, and as you can see, it's very colorful, very floral. So yes, I like it, very pretty. And you just open it like this. So quite spacious, and the quality, the bags are really nice. So quality wise also it's very pretty, very good, and it's very pretty. So yes, I'm happy with this. Now let's move on to the next are these cards. So this one is the renewal offer. Then I have this contest card. So you just have to click a picture of your August Fab Bag and you can stand a chance to win these two products here. And total there are going to be 10 winners. I will be mentioning the detail in the description box. Then the third one is the info card. And the theme for this month is Tri-Oomph August Fab Bag. This month we have total 3 product choices. 2 are makeup product and 1 is skincare product. So let's just quickly start. I had the options for the first product, which is a disguise, which is by disguise, and this is a velvet glow multi-stick. So in this they had different shade. I have chosen shade number 63. The name is Champion Moonshine. This is how it looks. I love their product. Why? Because I'm talking about disguise. Why? Because they are cruelty free. They don't have any paraben, and they are 100% vegan. So yes, I absolutely love it. And this has avocado and marula, which is actually very hydrating. So yes, looking forward for this. And it's a multi-stick. So let me tell you, you can use it as a highlighter over here on your cheek, or maybe as an eyeshadow, or maybe as an eyeliner, or maybe on your lips. So yes, that's why it's a multi-stick. Let me just show you the glow of this stick. This is how it looks. I think it's very much visible on the camera. Yes. So this is the shade. I'm really looking forward for this one. It's a full-size product. The price for this one is 600 rupees. Moving on to the second one. The second one is a nail paint. Yes, this is the one. And this is the Perfect Stay Color New York. The price for this one is 199 rupees. Shade number I have 128, I guess. Yeah, 128 is the shade number, 199 is the price. Pretty color, you can say brownish tinge color, which yeah, I can use it. It's a good product. And then moving on to the third one, which is again for this we have selection, and I have chosen this one. This is the shade. Let me tell you, the shade is Pretty Nude. Number is 30. And this is again by Disguise. I've told you their lipsticks are amazing. I absolutely love it. Even the packing is quite nice. So this is a nudish shade, which is perfect for daily wear. Wow, really pretty. So happy with this. The price for this one is 700, I guess. Yeah, price for this one is 700. It's a full-size product. Yes, you guys can see that. Next product is by Mom's Therapy, and again this is a really amazing brand. I love it. All the products are nice, but their hair oil, I'm a big fan of that. And even this body scrub is really good. So yes, super happy. This is a coffee body scrub. Yeah, coffee body scrub. The price for this one is 325 rupees. 50 gram is the quantity. So yes, super happy with this one. Already used it. It's a great product. So yes, happy. Now moving on to the last one. Again for this I had choices. Of course, even you will get that. So this is by Palmer's, and this is a coconut oil formula antioxidant firming lotion. The quantity is 11 ml for this, and the price for this is 50 rupees. Palmer's again is a very good brand, and their body lotions, their oils, body oils and everything is just great. So yes, it's a you can say sample size kind of a product, because 11 ml is the quantity. But yes, I love it because it's the coconut oil formula lotion. So yes, happy to receive it. I will be definitely using it. So yeah, that's all for today, which I've got in my Fab Bag. And this month Yes, I really like it. The lip color is just amazing. You can choose the color as per your choice. Then the multi stick is really useful. Then the body scrub is just amazing. Then Palmer's lotion is again very good. Then the nail paint is, yes, a useful product, I would say. So overall, it's a good addition, and yes, I really like it. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. And that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.